These are the Fliwos men's stretch dress pants in gray. These are the classic fit flat front pants, and I got these in size 40 by 32. I'm 6'2", 245 pounds. The company sent me this product for review, but everything I say in this video is my own opinion. And I just want to show you how these things arrived. They did a really nice job on the packaging right here. You open this up, have this fancy little wrapping on here, which is very nice. And then they were inside of this like Ziploc bag inside of here. So really nice job on that. Now, I am not a dedicated follower of fashion, but they say that they use an innovative knitting technology and upgraded thread counts. 15% spandex, plus 35% thread counts, and plus 50% stretch fabric. All I know is they stretch about 3 inches on the waist here, and they're really comfortable to wear. I'm getting a little older, and I'm built for comfort these days. Hey, you can see that they have a waistband curtain on here for a tailored look. They have a button at the top and a zip fly on here, and they have some pretty deep, breathable front pockets on here. I like that. And on the back here, we have double welt back pockets. As far as washing these goes, you just want to wash them in cold water and hang them to dry super easy. These things are super comfortable. Like if you're sitting in a chair all day and you know how your pants pull up and stuff, they feel great, soft, stretch out at the knees right here. You know, if you're constantly climbing stairs, something like that, these things are great. They'll stretch out, ride up, very comfortable. These would be great for any occasion, really, in my opinion. I would wear these to a wedding, definitely to work. They're great as suit pants. They're perfect for the golf course and perfect for any time that you're moving around a lot, and I love them.